Hey everyone, welcome to Introvert Pal. My name is Shazil Ayoub. Today we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading, perfect for beginners who want to get started in this fast-growing market. To begin, let's understand what cryptocurrency is. It's digital or virtual money that uses cryptography for security. Bitcoin and Ethereum are some of the well-known examples you might have heard of. The first step is setting up your accounts. You'll need to register on a cryptocurrency exchange. This is where you can buy, sell, and trade different cryptocurrencies, like Binance, OKEx, etc. Next, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet to store your digital assets securely. There are hot wallets, which are online, and cold wallets, which are offline and more secure. Understanding how trading works is essential. There are market orders where you buy or sell at the current market price, and limit orders where you set a specific price to execute your trade. Managing risk is crucial in trading. We'll cover concepts like the risk-to-reward ratio and position sizing, which help you protect your investments while aiming for profits. Lastly, staying informed is key. Follow cryptocurrency news and trends to make informed decisions. There are also plenty of resources and communities online where you can learn more about trading strategies. To sum up, cryptocurrency trading can be both exciting and rewarding for beginners. Start small, learn as you go, and don't hesitate to explore more advanced strategies as you gain experience. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cryptocurrency trading tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video. See you next time.